Here's everything you need to know to use the VRAIKO Alpenglow to gua sha your face with the calming rose quartz crystal. So you do get a quick start guide. You also get this little silky bag, and then of course you get the charging cord as well. And then you're just gonna charge it under here. So that just flips up when you're ready to charge, and when you're done, you put it back in. And then it's this beautiful rose gold color. Has this hard protective cap. You're gonna pull that off, and then you can see right here the rose quartz, which is also good for stress relief and for, again, just like calming in that sense of love. Turning it on, you're gonna hold this for about 3 seconds. That will pop it on. You'll see the little flame icon. You have 3 options. So you can do level 1, level 2, or level 3, or none. So if you don't want it to heat up, you don't have to. If you want to go full heat, head to level 3. And then down here, this is the vibration. So that can be either on or off. So you have 2 choices there. I have it on 3 and vibration right now, and we're going to scrape. So if you do your face, you're going to take your forehead and scrape out. Now, if you start seeing red marks, that is okay. That is the blood flow. They will go away. But again, you can always change how strong it is. And then the way it's curved is really easy to kind of go on your jawline, go on your cheeks, and do this. And you can do this while you're multitasking. You could be watching TV and doing this. You could just be sitting in front of a mirror and doing it. You can see instantly my cheeks are already getting really red, and that's a good sign. I always think that's a good sign. The vibration just kind of helps with lymphatic drainage, and that all helps with anti-aging. Okay, so you can do down here as well. One thing I should mention too, and look how pretty that box is. You want to use it with oils or serums. I already had a hyaluronic acid serum on my face, but you do want to use that just because it kind of helps with it gliding. You don't have to, but it will help a little bit with the gliding action of the gua sha. And then you can even use this on your back. Now, it's kind of hard to do your own back, but if you had someone to really scrape your back for you, this would feel so good as a massage. Now, without your clothing on is what I recommend. You can do your arms, you could do top and bottom. You don't have to go as fast as I'm going. I'm just giving you a quick demo. But it's all about that scraping kind of gua sha. You're basically moving things through your body. Belly area, the whole belly area is a great area to do. Now, I did turn the heat off, but if you were to keep it on, it gets pretty hot. So just know it is going to warm up. And you can even do your head. Oh, your head feels so good with this. I know I have that spa headband on, but you can do your entire head, and then you can go back again over your face. You can kind of do things like your whole body or just focus on one section. So this is nice and warm now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off by holding it down for a few seconds. And that's it. It is so simple. You wanna keep the protective cap on it, and then recharge it as needed. If you got value out of this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. And enjoy seeing all the anti-aging and anti-stress results.